In this video, I will show you how to create project in VS Code for Salesforce, and we will also develop a basic Hello World component and show it into Salesforce. So let's start. As you can see, I have already opened VS Code, but before that I need to show you the trailer module which you need to do, or the steps which you need to do to create the project and the LWC component. So we will be referring to this unit of the Trailer module. The name of the project is Quick Start Lightning Web Component. Under that, we will be going through the third step, which is create a Hello World Lightning Web Component. Here in this unit, they have given all the steps which you need to perform in order to create a Salesforce DX project, along with creating a basic LWC component and deploying it into your Salesforce org. So what they are saying is you first of all need to press this Control Shift P button in Windows or Command Shift P in macOS. So let me just go to VS Code and try this Control Shift P, and then you have to write SFDX create project. So I have already used it, that is why it is shown in this recently used. So you might need to write this SFDX. Now click on create project, select the standard project tablet. Now give the name of the project, so I will just write hello world and click enter, and I will need to store it here, so I will click. As you can see, it has started creating the project. Now after doing this, the next step, we will go back again to our Salesforce DX project. We have done this 8 steps. Now it is telling us to uh, authorize our org. For that, first of all, I need to get my credentials of the org. Let me just copy it from the copy. So let's go to VS Code and write Control Shift P. Press Control Shift P and type authorize an org. Click on this. The default login URL will be login.org. We'll select this. After this, we have to give some alias. So I will just write connection. Click on enter, and now it will open this URL. You have to provide your username and password. Already copied it screen. Let me just and paste it here. I will provide my password for login. Allow. Once it is done, I will go back to my VS Code, and as you can see, it is running the command. And once successfully done, we'll see authorize an org success. We are able to connect our project with the Salesforce org. Now let's create a sample LWC component. So Control Shift P, and you have to select this SFDX create lighting web component, and just give the name of the component is hello world. As you can see on screen, okay. You can see we need to give name without the space. I have written the space, that is why it gave me an error. Let's try it again. Control Shift P. So first of all, we have to press enter. Now as you can see, the component is created. I will just write what h1 tag here, which is hello world, and into this when you create a LWC component, it will give you 3 files. One is HTML file where we will write the code which user sees. In the JavaScript file, we write the code of our controllers, and in this meta file, we will write all the configuration, like on which pages this component can be shown, or other configuration. We will learn about it in video. So as of now, I will copy the code from this from here. Let's copy and go and edit. Click on save. Now after writing the code, we just need to go here and deploy this source to org. Right click on the name of the component and click on this deploy source to org. You can see it is deployed. Let's cover Salesforce org and show it on our screen. I will open my home page. On can't edit it inside page. Search for the name of the component, which is hello world. Copy it, pop it. You can see world is shown. Activate it. Hold. Next. Save. Now let's check and verify if it is visible on screen or not. As you can see, this hello world component is visible in our opportunity record page. So in order to do everything, have to complete, I think, this the last step, create hello world lighting web component. If you complete this successfully, you will be able to test your VS code is successfully set up, and from the next video we can start working on the project which we will be developing. Here we will fetch this information from Salesforce, show these categories on the left hand side. This is the vertical navigation. We will create this card, then we will learn how to click show toast messages or modal or open a URL on click of a button, and how to show this cool looking animation. So we will learn a lot of things from the next video. Just set up your VS code for development and start. Thank you.